And we're back. It's been, I don't know, 4 or 5 days. One way to tell if it's cured, if you can stick your head in there without puking, it's probably good to go. It turned out alright. It's not so bad. Some of the spots were real nice. Some of the spots were not. Hey cat, get it, get it. It's always good to have cats around to deal with stuff like that. Anyway, so when I was doing it, I had a couple issues. A couple globs. You know what? I said don't deal with it then because you're gonna smear it everywhere. I just take my tool. Cut it right off. Down here, and cut it here. Any unwanted globs, things that you weren't too proud of. There's another glob right there, see? Gone. Mostly gone. What do we have? Oh, there's a couple big nasty ones right over here. Where is it? There we go. See it? No problem. I've done most of the laundry, not all of it. It's never any battle. So don't worry if your tank doesn't look as beautiful as this. I've done a few and it's still tough. Oh wow, that's a lot better. So now I'm gonna fill it up with water. And by fill it up, I mean I'm gonna put like 6 inches in it. I usually don't like to fill it all the way up on the first shot because it freaks me out. It's got the trusty Python. I'll go turn some water on. Be back. So, we're filling it with water. I checked to make sure there's no rocks or anything on the bottom. Where it's sitting on this floor is pretty flat. So that's fine. And I think we'll be alright. The one thing I've learned is don't fill it up with ice cold water. Oh, this cat's about to learn a lesson. I'll see how this plays out. Here you go. How'd you like that? Not so much. Jesus. Yeah, so we'll fill it about halfway up. Or 6 inches or whatever. However I feel to dare. We'll check for leaks. We'll fill it up again. We'll check for more leaks. And usually I like to fill it up and drain it 3-4 times just to get rid of any residual mess or whatnot. All the chemicals, get that leached out. This is going in for more. We don't learn. Well, we'll stay tuned. Next, we'll set up the stand. Believe it or not, it's under that. So that'll be a project. Anyone want any kids' toys? For cats? This one's clean.